video that I will link up here, I gave you a tour of our home at Fort Drum, which was a lower enlisted 2-bedroom, 1-bath regular home. This one that we are moving into today at Fort Bliss is a handicap accessible home. So this one's going to look a little different, which is why I'm going to give you a tour of this one as well. So we go in, there's a outer door and the inner door here. I should also mention this is a 4-bed, 2-bath home. And you see we've got some wood flooring. In here we have a nice sized linen closet or coat closet probably, just right inside the door. And then a little further down this hallway, we open this next door and we have the garage. Nice and spacious. Trash can, recycling bin, and all that good stuff over there. Fuse. And then next we have another closet. I guess this is a pantry area. And then here we have the kitchen, freezer, and refrigerator. Some nice size cabinets here. And the stove and oven. There is not a microwave, but we do have one from Drum that we brought with us. It'll probably go maybe in this area. Dishwasher. Sink does have a disposal. And then over here, just off the kitchen, we have the master bedroom size. Here is the walk-in closet. Nice amount of space and shelving. There's a window with blinds and a fan and light up there. Here is the bathroom, and this is where majority of the differences in this home are. There are a couple of bars and an extendable shower head. And there are bars in the shower as well. There's a double sink. This bathroom. And then if we come back out this way, we have a living room. Open floor plan means that whoever's in the kitchen can talk to whomever's out here. And then just off the living room, we have doors to the backyard. Nice area to put a outside table. And then here is the backyard. There's a kind of a rock wall sort of thing going on over there. And here's the yard. Have it, and then there's actually, oh, I didn't even see this. Hi, honey.
Hi.
there's some extra storage out here. And there's my Ricky. There's a spigot right there. Perfect spot for a hose. And then if we come back inside, you see the last few rooms. We have another bedroom right here. There's some outlets, windows with blinds, another closet. So this is the second bedroom. Here's another bathroom, a small linen closet, sink, storage, toilet, and as you saw in the other bathroom, there's an extendable shower head and extra shower bars. Oh, and a medicine cabinet and the mirror. Lights. And then we have another bedroom, window, and a closet. And then we come over this way. Here's what I would assume will be the dining room. A nice chandelier right there. And then another bedroom. I believe this is the last one. There are windows, shelves in the closet. And come back out this way. And here's the laundry room. Room for the hookups. And some shelving. And then last but not least, oh, maybe I already showed you this, I'm not sure. I don't think I did. This is a storage closet. It actually folds out 2 doors, so it's a nice size. And editing me here, I forgot to mention a couple of things about the home. Up here is the light sensor that goes off when someone rings the doorbell. Well, there we go. And the other thing that I forgot is these 2 peepholes. There's one at the usual height and one at about wheelchair height. So those are the other 2 specifically accessible modifications that are made. Also, I don't know if you can see this, but most of the doorways and the entryways are much wider, so that we can more easily fit through them should I ever need a mobility device. Ironically, except for the laundry room. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that the weirdest thing? Anyway, so those are the other accommodations that I forgot to mention in the earlier parts of the video. So there you have it. That is a tour of the 2-bathroom, 4-bedroom, disability accessible home in Chamizal Vista neighborhood at Fort Bliss. If you have any questions, please drop them below. And also let me know, have you ever been in or have you lived in an accessible home on a military installation? This will be our first time, so I'm eager to get all moved in and get used to having enough space for our stuff, and also to have a bit of a safer shower. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one.